Have you ever taken a breakout trade that looked perfect only to watch it fail immediately? Here's the hard truth: price alone is not enough. The real confirmation behind winning breakouts is volume. In this video, I'll show you why breakouts with volume matter, how to spot high quality breakouts, and exactly what to look for on the chart using real examples. A breakout happens when price moves above resistance or below support after consolidating. This tells us the market is choosing a direction. But here's the problem: not all breakouts are real. Some are traps designed to shake out retail traders. That's where volume steps in. Volume shows us participation. If price breaks out but volume is low, that means few traders are actually buying or selling and the move is weak. When a breakout happens with strong expanding volume, it tells us institutions are involved. Demand is real. The move has fuel. Volume is the confirmation that separates pros from beginners. Here's what I look for every time. Or support level 2. Strong candle close beyond that level. 3. Volume spike above the recent average bonus tip. The best breakouts often happen after tight consolidation. The tighter the range, the stronger the move once volume enters. Fake breakouts usually share the same signs: weak volume, long wicks, rejecting the level, immediate pullback below resistance. If volume doesn't confirm the move, stay patient. Missing a trade is better than getting trapped in the RR. In day a nenarisar bay a pra a. Remember, volume doesn't lie, but price can. Breakouts work best when they align with the overall trend. A breakout with volume in the direction of the trend has a much higher success rate. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: breakouts without volume are just guesses. Breakouts with volume are confirmation. Drop a comment below. Have you ever been caught in a fake breakout? And if you want daily trade ideas, chart breakdowns, and AI-powered insights, make sure you're subscribed and following along. Trade smarter, not harder.